We've handed in a petition to try and get homelessness and housing issues put on the national curriculum for Wales, to get the housing issues that young people need to know made relevant now, and to get things sorted for young people who are homeless.
I do a lot of volunteering with Shelter Cymru for peer education. We try and, get out to all the school kids who don't know where to go for the information if they are ever made homeless. And it's quite surprising, really, the amount of children who, you think, oh, shake hands with the person next to you. It's like, you might be shaking hands with someone who might be homeless later on in life, and then they start laughing, and then you think, don't laugh, because it could be you. I think it's good that the young people can get involved with the Assembly.
It's important that young people can influence policy.
It'll make it a lot easier for other young people to come up and hopefully influence other things.
Young people are going to be the future of the country.